My name's Dan. I'm with Permitting Services. I'm a tech. You're probably watching this video today because you've received a check sheet and need to update your plans. This video today is going to be for paper plan corrections only. Some tools you're going to need: a red felt tip pen, red ballpoint pen, binder clips, or a stapler, and all of the sets of plans that you submitted at the time of submittal. In this case, we're going to be doing 3 sets of plans. We're going to need your check sheet and your check sheet response filled out completely, addressing all of the items that were listed on the check sheet, and the new replacement pages that we're going to be inserting in place of the old pages that are to be updated to make your new complete set of plans. So if you're replacing the cover sheet, we're going to want to replace the permit number, the set number, and the bin location with a red felt pen in large legible letters so it can be easily read close to the edge of the front of the page. So the new replacement pages that we're going to be inserting in place of the old pages are going to have a date put down in the lower right hand corner in red ink so we can see when they were replaced and differentiate them from older pages. This does not have to be the date that you're bringing the plans in. It can just be the date that you assembled the plans. First, we're going to be working with set 1 today. What we're going to do is go ahead and start replacing the pages that need to be replaced, making sure to mark void on the old sheets. And in set 1, all of the voids will be put to the back of the plan set, with all of the new pages put in place where they should go in the new plan set, making a new complete plan set with all the voids to the back. All voids, no matter what, will go to the back of the plan set 1. In sets 2, 3, and 4, if we've replaced a page, that's considered a void page. We'll keep those pages only if they have city stamps or any red markups on them. Mark them void and attach them to the back of the plan set that they came from. If they don't have a markup on them, you can go ahead and recycle those. And we're going to clip them together with either clips or place staples on the left-hand side, roll them back up the way we got them. Please make sure to fill out your check sheet response completely, addressing all of the items on the check sheet. Fill out a phone number that we can get a hold of you at under the customer phone number portion of this sheet. That way, if we have any questions about the corrections that we're taking in, we can call you directly and save you some time in the permitting service. When you've completed that, please take this check sheet response, wrap it around your plans, and put a rubber band around it so it's with the plans. When you're ready to submit your corrections, schedule a drop-off appointment with our online scheduling system. We'll link to it in the description. Once you've gotten your appointment scheduled, when you get to the building, the front doors will be locked. Please grab the security guard's attention, and they're going to have a sheet with your name on it. Please give them your name and let them know that you're here to drop off corrections. And when you walk in the doors, it'll be on the shelf to your left listed Corrections Drop Off. If you do have any questions about the process, feel free to call us at 503-823-7357, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have about this process.